Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I was on placement at the Fetal Medicine Research Institute. I was on the maternal assessment unit. It was a slow morning. I got to see a few patients. It was pretty nice. The institute is a really nice building, very modern and stuff. And now basically it's the start of the weekend and it started off with some terrible weather. There's a storm today, wind speeds of up to 70 miles per hour. But I'm going to see if I can make it to the gym right now. But then we'll come back and we are going to try and have a relaxed. No, I'm joking. It's medical school and it's never relaxed. A nice sort of balanced weekend. And we'll see how things go. So let's get into it. So let's get changed up. So I did a light upper body workout because I've been feeling quite a bit of pain in my hip. I promise I'm not skipping leg day for no good reason. So I'm home now and there's one big problem. My room is absolutely horrifically gross and it's really triggering me, so I need to clean up. And then I also need to take a shower, so let's do both of those things right now. Feels so much better. Honestly, having a clean and productive work environment, it makes you feel so much better. And now let's get to work. So now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sort of checklist for the weekend. So most of my checklists are on Notion. They're integrated into my work. For example, a med school checklist, a YouTube checklist. But when I'm making a checklist for a specific period of time, like for this weekend, I'm going to make that using this checklist app, Google Tasks, because I know to look there during that period of time and all my activities are there. Let's make that checklist, and with that we'll have a set of goals to sort of complete throughout the weekend, and hopefully that'll make the weekend more productive and this will allow me to better manage my time. So let's go. Done. So now I basically have some anatomy lectures to complete. I have two of them. One, I need to complete some notes on the orbit, and then two, I have a lecture on the face. Let's start with the one on the orbit, and then let's see if we have time to do the next one right now or later. I completed that lecture on the orbit, and now I'm basically going to go for a friend's birthday. With few of us, we're going for dinner, and I'll see you guys when I'm back. I'm back now, so let's start the second anatomy lecture on the face. The light is nice and dim for good sleep hygiene, and we're ready. So that's all the studying for today. Now I'm just going to chill, watch some of the Big Bang Theory, which I've watched 100 times before, and go to sleep.
Oh, Amy, good, you're here.
Hi, what's up?
Mr. Gates, I'm Dr. Leonard Hofstadter. We've actually met before.
Sorry, I don't remember.
You were so...
That might make you feel better.
Oh, really?
Morning, guys. So I'm gonna start the day off with a little bit of a morning walk. Hopefully getting out early in the day and being a bit active will make me more energized and refreshed for the rest of the day, especially since it's like so cold. So I'm just gonna walk until I feel like stopping and see how long it takes me. Boy, I really hate London sometimes. Absolutely drenched. Pretty decent, I'd say. So now that I've dried up a bit, I'm gonna make some warm, nice lunch for myself.
I'm using a code where yes means no.
Oh, I got it. He's giving me...
I'm gonna shave now to get rid of the stubble. So basically, I just completed another task on my weekend to-do list, and that's signing up to QuestMed, which is this medicine question bank for your medical school exams. And it looks really useful. I'm going to use it, review it, see how it is, and I'll let you guys know. And then later tonight, I'm going to watch Uncharted, which is the new Tom Holland movie, and I'm going with two of my friends, one of which who you've seen before. No clue whether that was the right way of saying it. That's Harsh, who you saw in my University Life in London video, which is my most popular video right now. And yeah, hopefully it's fun. We'll just hang around central London a bit and do all those sort of things. And now I'm just gonna study a bit and then go. Okay, so let's get going now. I'm literally carrying this bag just for you guys so I can keep my camera in it and I can vlog tonight. So okay guys, how did you like the movie? Was it good?
I would say it's more of a Netflix movie than one to see in theaters.
What do you think?
I haven't played the game, so I didn't like it that much.
Yeah, it was alright, not great. Got them.
So much, bro. Exploring campus nightlife in London.
Oh my god, it is so late. So today I sort of have three things to do, three main things. I have virology lectures, the review from the week. I have to do some past med practice questions, and then I have to read through a research paper for my student selected component, and then I'm also going to go to the gym and stuff.
Look, all three of your of merit. I just want to make sure I'm making the right decision. I need everyone to back off. Someone is going to be upset with me. Do you really care if people are angry? You know that my mom can be, well, different dad. I'm working my way up. All right. Just worried you might have a
So I just uploaded my newest video on reasons why you shouldn't study medicine. It's an interesting one, that video. See, so go and check it out if you haven't already. So I just finished reviewing some virology content, and yeah, now I'm gonna go to the gym and come back, work some more, make some dinner, and get ready for tomorrow. This is why I hate London weather. It's like mutilated my umbrella completely. This guy is gone. So after coming back, I basically had to make dinner. But other than that, I sort of did some more past med questions and then read my research paper for my student selected component and pretty much got ready for the next day of medical school. But I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to drop a like on this video, to subscribe, to share the video, leave any comments you want down below. I want you guys to subscribe so I can make even better videos for you all. And yeah, I will see you in the next one.